F-150, chrome appearance package, chrome on the side, and it is hilarious. Heated seats, both stars, you name it, this truck has got it. Come check it out here at Harry Robinson Sallisaw Ford, guys. Just want to tell you about this truck. So this truck, something special about it, it is the HRX package. He bought it brand new from us. He liked the truck so much, he went ahead and got the HRX package on it. Listen to how it's driving right now. You hear the tires on it. That's a big set of tires and a big lift kit, or it's not a big lift kit, but it's got a 2-inch leveling kit on it. Usually this ride's a lot louder. If you went in a Jeep, oh my gosh, you could probably not hear me talking, but just listen. You don't hear it. It's very quiet. The radio's turned almost all the way off, and yet you still don't hear a lot of outside noise. That's how good Ford is with their outside soundproofing the vehicle, making sure it's a comfortable ride, and it's the #1 selling truck in America for a reason, and that's part of that reason.